viewers, welcome back to our channel. In this video you will watch beautiful crochet summer jackets for women that are more than just lightweight layers. They are wearable of creativity, elegance and timeless fashion. Every stitch adds texture, softness and character, turning into simple outfit on something truly memorable. In the world of feminine fashion, floor garments are versatile and eye-catching as beautiful crafted crochet jackets, elegant designs especially for warm weather wear. These jackets offer the perfect balance between coverage and breathability on summer evening when the breeze becomes cooler, or in air conditioner spaces where you need an extra layer. A crochet jackets provide comfort without adding bulk. Openwork construction allows air to circulate freely, making it ideal for the hot climate while still offering a polished and sophisticated look. The beauty of crochet summer jackets lies in their incredibility variety. Some designs are soft and romantic, featuring delicate lace motifs and scallop edges. Others are bold and artistic, combining geometric grand squares, flower medallions, and vibrant color palettes. From minimalistic neutrals to statement making rainbow patterns, there is a crochet jacket to match every personality and style preference. Overfront cardigans remain one of the most beloved summer jacket styles. These easy to wear pieces drop naturally over the body and flatter all shapes and sizes. They can be thrown over a simple tank top and jeans for an instantly elevated casual outfit, or laid over a maxi dress for an elegant and feminine look. The flowing silhouette creates movement and adds a soft handcraft touch to every fashion. Crochet kimonos are especially popular for women who love bohemian-inspired outfits. These loose fit, wide sleeves, and relaxed structure make them incredibly comfortable and stylish. Often adorned with fringe, tassels, and floral motifs, these jackets capture the carefree spirit of summer. They are perfect for beach vacations, outdoor festivals, and sunset gatherings by the sea. Long crochet dusters bring dramatic elegance to summer wardrobes. These floral gazing designs move beautiful as you walk and create a striking layered effect. Despite their length, the open stitch keep them lightweight and breathable. Worn over shorts and a crop top or wear sleek monochrome outfit, they become a stunning focal point. Drop crochet jackets are ideal for women who prefer more structured and more silhouettes, ending at the waist or just above hips. These jackets pair beautiful with high-waisted skirts, trousers, and dresses. They are particularly flattering because high-waisted skirts define the waist while adding texture and visual interest. Decorative buttons, puff sleeves, and other details can make them piece feel both vintage inspired and fashion forward. Color selection play a major role in the overall mood. Our crochet summer jackets, white and ivory, are timeless classic that emphasizes lace details and create a fresh luxurious appearance. Beige scent and oud tones evoke a natural and earthy aesthetic. Soft pastels such as blush, lilac, mint, and baby blue offer a romantic touch, while vibrant shades like coral, turquoise, sunflower yellow, and emerald green add bold summer energy. Multicolored jackets made from granny squares have become iconic in the crochet world. Each color can feature a unique combination of colors, resulting in a joyful patchwork effect. These jackets celebrate handmade artistry and allow for endless creativity. Whether arranged in coordinate tones or contrasting hues, granny square jackets always feel distinctive and full of personality. The zone used for summer crochet jackets is carefully chosen to ensure comfort. Cotton is the most popular choice because it's breathable, durable, and easy to wear in warm weather. Baby yarn offers an exceptionally soft feel and suitable sheen, given the finished jacket a luxurious shape. Linen blends create crisp texture and natural cooling properties, making them ideal for hot and humid conditions. Stitch patterns are white cave crochet jackets, their signature charm. Pineapple lace creates intricate fan-like motifs with a vintage appeal. Mesh stitch produce a modern airy look. Shell stitch adds softness and feminine while floral motifs provide romantic detail. Fillet crochet allows for geometric and lace-inspired designs that look elegant and sophisticated. Crochet summer jackets are also highly practical. They provide gentle sun protection from shoulders and arms while remaining cool and breathable. They can feel folded easily into beach bag or suitcase, making them excellent or travel companions. The lightweight construction means they are comfortable to carry and simple to style in multiple ways. These jackets transition effortlessly from day to evening. During the day, they add relaxed and distinctive casual outfits. In evening, they become defined statement piece layered over dresses and elegance separates. The same jacket can accompany you to a brunch or shopping trip or beaching outing and a dinner with friends. For women who appreciate slow fashion, crochet jackets hold special significance. Unlike mass-produced garments, each handmade piece reflects time, skill, and creativity. The result is a unique item that feels personal and meaningful. Many women treasure crochet jackets not only for their beauty but also for craftsmanship and art that go into every stitch. Crochet summer jackets suit women of all ages. Younger women may style them with denim shorts and crop tops for a trendy boho look. Mature women often pair with tailored trousers and dresses for understated elegance. Their adaptability makes them one of the most beautiful, inclusive, and wearable handmade garments. Fashion trends continue to embrace crochet because it's combined artistry with effortless sophistication. Designers around the world reinterpret crochet in modern silhouettes, proving that handcraft textures remain eternally stylish. A well-made crochet summer jacket never feels outdated. It becomes a timeless wardrobe favorite that can be worn year after year. Whether adorned with lace motifs, granny skirts, French, or minimalistic mesh stitch, crochet summer jackets bring beauty and versatility to warm weather fashions. They are lightweight, breathable, and endless elegant. More than just an accessory, they are a statement piece that celebrate handmade craftsmanship and transform one simple outfit into something extraordinary. So never forget to subscribe our channel, like and share. You can comments and you can share with this video into your friends and crochet lovers. Watch whole video till the end. Please press the bell icon so you'll never miss our latest video. This channel helps you to pick beautiful crochet pattern designs for your next crochet project. Thanks for watching.